Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I figured I would just run through my top 21 of 21 from Amazon. So we are going to run through a list that covers everything from beauty products to technology to stuff you can use in the kitchen. Let's kick off with beauty. So if you guys are new to my channel, I've kind of been in the process over the past really like years of flipping not only synthetic clothing out of my closet in favor of natural fibers, but also really niching down and concentrating on clean beauty, and most especially products that are not tested on animals. So all of the beauty products I'm going to talk to you about today fall into that category, beginning with moisturizer. So if you guys are looking for an amazing body moisturizer, highly recommend Alba Botanica. Oh my gosh, I have bought so many of these over the past couple years. It sinks into the skin beautifully. It keeps my skin moisturized all day long. Plus, what I love is it's 100% vegetarian ingredients. There's also no synthetic fragrance, no artificial colors, no parabens, no sulfates, none of the gunky stuff, and it still works like a dream. Speaking of skincare, soap has been a huge problematic area for me. My skin is super duper sensitive, so I was looking for something that was naturally based that would also give my skin not only a cleansing, but keep it moisturized and keep it like really soft and nice, right? Which is always a good thing. So I am down to like my last bar of the Kiss My Face olive oil and salt based soap, but I will show you guys an insert of what the packaging looks like. This stuff is a godsend. If you have skin that gets super dry, especially in the winter time, if it is especially sensitive, you have got to introduce this to your life. I have never had softer skin in my life. In fact, my husband was like, your skin feels amazing. So that's always the true test of it. And it comes 3 bars in one package, and I think it's like $6 or something. It is amazing. Moving right along to another product that for some reason has been impossible for me to find in terms of a good one that actually works is lip balm. I cannot wear chapstick, Blistex. They dry out my lips so badly. This is a 6-pack of lip balm, again, organically based, and the flavors are mint, citrus, just like a plain beeswax, eucalyptus, vanilla, and coconut. Oh my gosh, use this so much, especially in the colder months, especially at night before I go to bed. I literally slather this on my lips, and this is one of the only products I've ever been able to use that does not result in me getting just dry, flaky, irritated lips. This stuff is amazing. And speaking of lips, I have been forever on the prowl for a nice tinted lip balm that I can wear literally if I'm just like bebopping around outside before I've gone like full face, or if I am just like getting ready for bed and I just want a little bit of something on my face. I just love makeup. I do not like not having anything on my face. So again, trying to find like a really good tinted lip balm that's just very natural looking was proving to be almost impossible until I found this one from Honest Beauty. You guys, this stuff is beautiful. It comes in a number of different shades. I believe this is Fruit Punch. It is so pretty, so subtle on the lips. It gives you just like this perfect, like juicy hint of color that is so soothing to the lips. If you have problematic chapped lips and you want a little bit of color on there, or if again you're just looking for something natural to throw on your lips in lieu of a lipstick product, you've got to get your hands on one of these shades. I think this is my second or third one, and it just goes on the lips so unbelievably smooth. Like I said, it just feels really, really nice. Okay, so moving right along to nails. I am constantly battling very, very like obscenely dry, cracked, gross looking cuticles. So I have come to depend on Cuticle Cream. Now I tend to toggle between this one from Badger Balm or the one from Burt's Bees. Honestly, it just depends on like which one is running a little bit more reasonably priced on Amazon. They're both absolutely amazing. I actually tend to like the Badger Balm a little bit better because it has a slightly creamier consistency, but you can see you get a decent sized amount in this little tin, and a little bit goes a long way. So if you are like me and have problems with your cuticles, get your hands on one of these tins. It will be a total life-changing product. I've never found anything that compares to this type of cuticle cream. Okay, so moving right along to nails, when it comes to polish, again, trying to find something that is plant-based, cruelty-free, that actually works and does not chip off your nails after like 2 seconds, which historically has been my relationship with nail polish. It was a dream to find these shades from Nailtopia. Now, I talked about these in my Christmas gift guide. These are fantastic. This is a bio-sourced nail lacquer. It is absolutely stunning on. So they do have an acetone-free 99% bio-sourced nail polish remover, and this stuff works. Not all nail polish removers that are plant-based actually work. I have gone through about 6 or 7 brands before I found this, and it is amazing. Okay, and the final nail product, definitely a great cuticle trimmer and cuticle pusher, a little kit I've been looking for because I gotta tell you, like, I'm just kind of into doing my own nails. Obviously, I want them to look good, and my cuticles tend to take on a life of their own. So this one I thought was really nice looking because it is a metal product, and there is a great amount of spring in this cuticle trimmer, and I gotta tell you, these suckers are sharp, so be careful. I have gone in like gangbuster before trimming my cuticles, and I've totally jacked them up, so just be very, very careful when you're using this. And then in the kit, they also include a cuticle pusher, which again is a nice metal product. This is stainless steel. And then it also has a nice little grip to it, which is obviously key. If you're pushing back your cuticles, the last thing you want to be doing is like slip sliding around on them and potentially hurting yourself. Okay, so when it comes to eyes, if you wear contact lenses and you are looking for a saline solution that is cruelty-free, finally came across the brand Clear Conscience. This is the only cruelty-free saline solution that I'm aware of. I have used this product for years. You can get the 12 fluid ounce bottle, which is this big one. It also comes in a really nice little travel size, but this is absolutely amazing. I never have any problems with my contacts. They stay moisturized all day, so this has been a godsend. And then when it comes to keeping your contacts clean and free of any debris, if you're like me and wear disposables, you want to be changing out your case at least every month. So I found this packet. I think there were 12 of them that came in here, so basically one for every month. I only have 2 left, but it's just a nice contact case. There's nothing crazy fancy about it. They do come in different colors, but it's just a great product to have, again, to help you remember when it is time to change your contact lens case. Okay guys, so 2 more products that are in the beauty realm. Definitely a hairspray. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, but trying to find a cruelty-free hairspray that actually works, that doesn't leave your hair all like crunchy bunchy, and that is also affordable can be very difficult. So I found this. This is SGX NYC. This has a great amount of hold to it. Like I said, it doesn't get crunchy bunchy. It is aerosol, which I know some people have a problem with. It's not the best, but if you are going with an aerosol type of hairspray, this is a good one to add to your arsenal. And finally, if you are looking for an SPF, gotta get your hands on some Sunbum. I actually use this on my décolleté because for whatever reason, this area tends to burn like that. But this is a face 50 SPF. It is UVA, UVB, broad spectrum SPF that is water resistant. It's lightweight, it's oil free. It is also fragrance free, gluten free, and vegan, which is fantastic. It is very lightweight. It does not have that like heavy, greasy feeling that a lot of SPFs do. I don't actually put this on my face, but like I said, I put it all over my décolleté, and I've never had any issues with any more burning. Okay, so moving right along to a couple tech products. The first one I actually just realized is at my husband's office because I gave it to him to use. But it is basically like a little laptop lift. You know, sometimes when you're typing on your laptop, your neck is like this, and you can just get like the worst neck pain, shoulder pain, headaches, migraines. My chiropractor actually recommended that I invest in one of these, and it was like a godsend. What it does is it props up that keyboard, it props up that screen so you have good posture, so you're not looking down, straining your neck. I absolutely love this thing, and it is also adjustable so you can get like the perfect height for you. And when it comes to staring at your computer screen all day, or your phone, or the TV, definitely recommend you invest in a pair of blue light glasses. My optometrist had recommended that I do that because there was a time where I was spending like 14 hours a day on my computer and my eyes literally felt like they were gonna fall out of my head. These types of glasses can get very, very pricey, and my doctor was actually like, honestly, you can go onto Amazon to find a great pair at a reasonable price, but they do a great job of just reducing that eye strain when you are looking at any type of screen. And I gotta tell you, if I get lazy and just don't reach for them and I'm staring at my phone, staring at my computer, and I don't have these on, my eyeballs are screaming after like 30 seconds. And then speaking of iPhones, of course, I think we all have screen protectors on our phones, and they can get extremely expensive. When I upgraded my iPhone to a 12, the ones they were selling at Verizon were insane. And my salesperson was like, don't tell anybody I'm telling you this, but go on Amazon. These are the ones he recommended. It's a screen protector that is also tempered glass, and it is awesome. I have used one of these on my phone. It's actually time for me to use a new one, but just love the fact that it does come with 3, so that way you are getting the best bang for your buck. And just from filming these videos, a lot of people have asked me what type of microphone I'm using, and to be honest with you, I spent a ton of time researching lavalier mics, lapel mics, something I could use when I'm filming. This was the one I landed on. It has been absolutely amazing. What I love most about this, it plugs directly into my phone, and also it comes with an extension cord. So it's 6.5 feet of cord and then 6.5 feet more feet of extension. It does come with a little clip so you can clip it to your lapel, but a little trick of the trade, I actually tuck it into the center of my bra. That way it's not like visible on my clothes. I think it's a cleaner look. And by doing that, it does not affect the sound at all. This has been an amazing microphone to use while filming my YouTube vids. And the last piece of technology, I guess you would call it, has been, this is so random. You guys, if you have houseplants or plants at all, if you tend to be the grim reaper of plant life like I was, no matter what you did, your plants were unhappy, they were dying, going brown on you, you can't seem to nail the amount of water they need, you need one of these in your life. Stick it right in the potted plant or a plant that's outside, and it'll tell you if your plant is dry, moist, or wet. So I know now when a plant is about to be overwatered or if it is severely underwatered, but suffice to say, I kill a lot less plants now that I am using this religiously. Another kind of random item that has proven to be a lifesaver, if you do anything in the kitchen with your oven, if you like to cook, if you like to bake, you need to have parchment paper. This has saved me from burning so many things. It has been awesome. I, in the past, have struggled with parchment paper, like the roll of it, because it tends to curl up on my sheet pans. It's really, really annoying. So I was looking for something that would be pre-cut. So they have been my lifesaver in the kitchen. Okay guys, and a couple more things to show you for my top 21 of 21 from Amazon. Definitely, if you've seen my videos, you know how much I love my bamboo clothing racks. If you are looking for something just really cute to hang your clothing on, recommend you go with bamboo. It just looks so good, like much better than a wire rack, especially if you are pressed for closet space. And I loved it so much that I actually bought a second one that has a little bit more in terms of shelving, a little bit more in terms of like hanging hats and purses and things like that. And it is a secret dream of mine to one day replace all of my hangers with wooden hangers. So starting off with baby steps, I bought a couple packs of this style. These have been so amazing. I love the fact that they match my bamboo clothing rack. It's just such a satisfying aesthetic look. These are fantastic. They're very durable. I've been able to hang heavy coats on these. Of course, they're great for hanging camis because they do have that little notch in the arm. And then you can also drape some trousers over them if that's how you like to hang your pants. But if you like to hang your pants like elongated, which is my preference, that way they don't get wrinkled or creased, you can check out the trouser version of these hangers as well. Again, they do have that little notch up top if you want to hang something else on them. But these have just been absolutely amazing. It's like the perfect hanger to combine function with a little bit of beauty too. Okay guys, so that'll do it for my top 21 of 21 from Amazon. As I said before, I will link everything down below in the description box for you to check out. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! This is just testing height. Chesting. Yes, chesting. We're chesting today. Testing for height, lighting, makeup, hair, the whole thing. Yay!